So, what exactly is alternate day fasting? Let's break it down. Alternate day fasting, or ADF, is simple. Eat normally one day, fast the next. This cycle repeats, providing a clear structure. Many find this rhythm easier than constant calorie counting. It's like giving your system a regular break. When you fast, your body uses stored fat for energy. Our ancestors experienced feast and famine. ADF mimics this pattern. It's not about starving, it's about planned periods of not eating. On fasting days, some consume only water, black coffee or tea. Others might have around 500 calories. The main idea is a significant calorie reduction, triggering beneficial metabolic shifts. On eating days, aim for healthy, balanced meals. Enjoy your food, but don't overeat to compensate for fasting. Good nutrition on eating days supports energy levels and essential nutrients. This balance is crucial for long-term success with ADF. Now, let's talk about the exciting benefits of giving your body a well-deserved break. One major benefit is weight loss. ADF can effectively shed extra pounds by burning fat for energy. It can help break through weight loss plateaus and kickstart metabolism. Beyond weight loss, ADF improves metabolic health. It enhances insulin sensitivity, aiding blood sugar control and reducing diabetes risk. ADF may lower blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels, boosting heart health. Fasting supports brain function and may promote new nerve cell growth. Many report feeling mentally clearer on ADF. Fasting triggers autophagy, a cellular cleanup process. Autophagy recycles old cell parts, promoting health and longevity. ADF provides regular opportunities for this vital process. This deep cleaning can make you feel rejuvenated. Consistency is key to seeing these benefits. It's a journey, not a race. Now let's consider when ADF might not be your best path. While ADF offers many advantages, it's not suitable for everyone. Approach any new eating pattern with caution. Your individual health status is crucial. Some might find ADF too challenging or unsafe. Listen to your body. If something feels wrong, stop. Consult a healthcare professional before starting ADF. Individuals with a history of eating disorders should avoid ADF. The restrictive nature of fasting can trigger unhealthy patterns. Mental well-being is as important as physical health. Underweight individuals should also avoid ADF. Fasting can lead to nutrient deficiencies and excessive weight loss. If you're on certain medications, ADF might interfere. Fasting could cause dangerous blood sugar drops. Always discuss ADF with your doctor if you're on medication. Let's dive into specific health conditions and how they relate to ADF. Certain medical conditions require careful thought before considering ADF. Individuals with diabetes need to be cautious, especially if on insulin. Fasting can lead to hyperglycemia, causing dizziness and confusion. If you have diabetes, work closely with your doctor. People with gallbladder disease might face issues. Fasting can increase the risk of gallstones or aggravate problems. If you have a history of gallstones, seek medical advice. Those with GERD may find ADF challenging. An empty stomach can increase acid production, worsening symptoms. For some, fasting might improve GERD by resting the digestive system. If you have GERD, monitor your symptoms and consult your doctor. Kidney disease is another condition to consider. Dehydration during fasting can strain impaired kidneys. Stay well hydrated and discuss ADF with your nephrologist. Section 5. Life's different stages. ADF during pregnancy, growth, and later years. Pregnancy is a time for nourishment, not restrictive eating patterns like ADF. Pregnant women need consistent nutrients for the baby's development. Fasting can deprive the baby of essential calories and nutrients. Always prioritize a balanced, nutrient-rich diet during pregnancy. Breastfeeding mothers also have increased nutritional needs. Fasting could reduce milk supply and affect its quality. It is generally recommended to avoid ADF while breastfeeding. Children and teenagers should not practice ADF. They need steady calories and nutrients for growth and development. Restricting food intake can lead to nutrient deficiencies and stunt growth. Encourage regular balanced meals for children and teens. Older adults, especially those frail or with multiple health conditions, should approach ADF with caution. Adequate protein and calorie intake are important to maintain muscle mass. Discuss ADF with your doctor to assess individual suitability and risks. Section 6. Starting gently smart modifications for your ADF journey. Jumping straight into full ADF can be tough. A gentler approach can make the transition smoother. One popular modification is the 500-calorie day. Consume about 500 calories from protein and vegetables. This can make fasting days less daunting, while offering fasting benefits. Another option is to start with shorter fasting windows. Begin with a 16-hour fast, often called time-restricted eating. For example, finish dinner at 8 p.m. and eat again at noon the next day. This is more manageable for beginners. Gradually extend the fasting period as you adapt. You could also try an ADF-light approach, fasting 1 or 2 days a week initially. This gradual introduction can improve adherence and build confidence. Hydration is key. Drink plenty of water, herbal tea, or black coffee. Listening to your body is paramount during this process. Section 7. ADF for a leaner you, focusing on effective fat loss. Many turn to ADF for its fat loss potential. It works by creating a consistent calorie deficit. On fasting days, you consume very few or no calories. This forces your body to tap into stored fat for energy. Over time, this leads to weight reduction. Consistency is crucial for maximizing fat loss. On eating days, focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Avoid overcompensating for the fast day by overeating. Mindful eating supports fat loss goals and maintains a healthy metabolism. Incorporate physical activity to enhance fat-burning effects. Exercise helps build or maintain muscle mass, increasing resting metabolism. Gentle activities like walking or yoga can be beneficial. Patience is key. Results take time. Track progress with measurements or how your clothes fit, not just the scale. Section 8. Beyond weight management ADF for cellular renewal and vitality. ADF offers benefits beyond weight loss, impacting cellular health. Fasting triggers autophagy, cleaning out damaged cells and recycling components. This renewal process keeps cells young and efficient. Regular autophagy may protect against age-related diseases and promote longevity. ADF can help maintain muscle mass when done correctly. Adequate protein on eating days and resistance training support muscle preservation. Growth hormone levels can increase during fasting, aiding muscle maintenance. ADF improves insulin sensitivity, crucial for stable blood sugar and energy levels. Better insulin function reduces cravings and lowers metabolic syndrome risk. Fasting influences hormones like leptin and ghrelin, improving appetite control. The fasting day is key for cellular health and rejuvenation. Ensure eating days are filled with nutrient-dense foods. Antioxidants, healthy fats, and adequate protein support cell health. ADF is a holistic approach to well-being. Section 9. Your personal ADF blueprint. Crafting a successful entry plan. Creating a personalized entry plan for ADF is essential for success. Plan your schedule, deciding which days will be fasting and eating days. Consistency is easier with a clear plan. Prepare for fasting days, deciding between a true fast or a modified fast. Stock up on suitable foods and plan your hydration. Develop supportive habits like getting enough sleep and gentle exercise. Avoid strenuous workouts on fasting days initially. Find activities that help you relax and de-stress. Be patient and consistent. It takes time for your body to adapt. Stick with your plan as consistently as possible. If you have an off day, get back on track with your next scheduled fast day. Track your progress and how you feel. Adjust your plan as needed. The goal is to find a sustainable approach that enhances your health. Section 10. Is ADF your route to wellness? Making an empowered choice. Deciding if ADF is right for you is a personal choice. Consider its potential benefits like weight loss and improved metabolic health. ADF also promotes cellular renewal and longevity. However, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Your unique circumstances and health status are crucial. Consult your doctor to assess if ADF aligns with your health needs. They can guide you if modifications are necessary. Start gently with modified fasting days or shorter fasts. Listen to your body's signals and adjust your approach as needed. The goal is to find a rhythm that enhances your life. ADF is one tool among many for achieving health goals. It requires commitment, planning, and self-awareness. Weigh the pros and cons carefully. Choose a path that supports your lasting health and happiness.